What are anchors? How can you use anchors to feel better about yourself and to make positive, beneficial changing faster? Hi, I'm Ursula Knecht from Hypnosis Joondalup. I just got this great question from one of my hypnotherapy clients who previously saw an NLP practitioner. She felt like her anchors she was setting with the NLP practitioners didn't really work for her. So what is an anchor? How can you set powerful anchors yourself? And how can you use that in your daily life? That is what this little video is about. So first of all, I got trained originally in NLP as well, so neuro-linguistic programming. That was over 20 years ago. Since then, I got trained in many other techniques, and I find the mix I do now together with hypnotherapy makes much more profound changes and much faster changes as well. So what is an anchor? In NLP, the classic way of setting an anchor is that you put somebody in a positive state, and then in this positive state they touch something, like they put a finger together, they touch somewhere they would normally not touch, or something like that. The way I use anchors in hypnotherapy, when you're under and you are in this beautiful state, we use, for example, water for cleansing. Then when you're coming out of it, I say every time you have a shower, you're cleansing. We can measure that nowadays, that really having a shower is cleansing you, is helping you, so that can be a positive anchor as well. Even when you're drinking water, that can be a positive anchor as well. What I often use is sunlight as well. So as I use light, light as a connection to some good force, or if you believe in gods, to God or angels, we use light. And then when you come out of hypnotherapy, I say every time you're sitting at the sun and you're looking at the sun, or you know, like in the sunlight, obviously not looking directly in the sun, but if you're out there, then that triggers, and that's like an anchor as well. So you can call it a trigger or you can call it an anchor. It's the same thing. The idea with setting an anchor is that it releases positive feelings. So I call it more triggers. The anchors are more the physical ones you set in a specific way. The triggers are more this kind of things, like the water, the sunlight. It can be a picture that you set somewhere around. So when people come to me in hypnotherapy for weight loss, for example, I tell them, put a picture the way you want to look like, or the way they used to look like on your fridge, or the cupboard, or where you normally go to and have a snack that you don't really want or you don't actually need. So if you then see that picture there, that triggers your positive memories, or you can say it's an anchor. So that's a simple way. So what did we learn in this short little video? An anchor is the same as a trigger, in my opinion. It's just a reminder on something that gives you a good feeling. Obviously there are negative triggers or anchors as well that we all have in our lives, and the more we get in tune with our feelings and see, like, okay, when I'm actually looking at that, I get a sad feeling that's not helping me, I'd rather get rid of that. But in a positive way, if I look at that, that lifts me up, so I have probably more around that. Yeah, so I hope that has helped. I'm Ursula Knecht from Hypnosis Joondalup. Please sign up and stay tuned, follow me, so you're not missing out on any further videos. And thanks for your thumbs up as well. Bye bye for now.